EMOORE food connoisseur. Welcome to my foodie adventures. I'm here to give you my most honest opinion about the restaurant and the food I will be reviewing. So sit back, buckle up, and enjoy the ride, baby. Hey foodie fam, how y'all doing today? Today we ordered from Dairy Queen. All y'all know Dairy Queen, QSR, fast food spot that serve up that good ice cream. So today I ordered a backyard double ranch burger. And I ordered a Chocolate Brownie Extreme Blizzard. Let me describe the ingredients to you. It has chewy brownie pieces. It has chunks of chocolate, cocoa fudge, and they mix it all together with some vanilla soft serve goodness, baby. So, we're going to do the ice cream first because it's going to melt. Why not? And I can eat my dessert first. I'm grown. All right. Something nice and cooling on a warm day. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll rate that at 8.5. The chocolate taste could be a little bit more prevalent, but it's cool, refreshing, it's nice going down, and it's an easy chew. The brownie bites are definitely soft. So, how are y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing amazing. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is EMOORE Food Connoisseur. I'm gonna ask you to please like my video, subscribe to my channel. You see that bell, click it so you know when I'm on. And share me out with everybody. So this is the burger right here. Has cheddar cheese on it. It says crispy onion rings, but we about to find out if it's really crispy. Honey barbecue sauce. So it's more like a barbecue kind of burger situation with a twist of ranch. So we're gonna go in for that first bite. But I really wanna know what makes this burger so special. It said it was one of their top sellers. You see it? Is it something that you think you might want to get involved in? I mean, the bun action is nice. It's a pretty bun. The presentation is very beautiful. But looks can be deceiving. You take your bite virtually. All right. With all kidding aside, foodie fam, you may want to pause me and go grab a snack. When you get back, hit play. I'm just warning you, this may make you a little hungry. So, backyard double burger. Are you going to be like that? Am I going to go visit Dairy Queen in person and grab you? Or I'm going to take a bite and just throw you in the trash? Are you going to represent your brand well? Or are you going to be something I just want to forget about? That's a little flavor to it. The ranch dressing combined with the barbecue sauce are having a dance party with each other, seeing who can bust the better move inside my mouth, baby. They switching from that fast kind of dance to that waltz, that slow moving kind of thing. That's what I'm getting from this. It's letting me know, look here, homie, I got other kind of skills. I ain't just representing you one way. You're going to remember this burger, EMOORE. Well represented, if I do say so myself. All right. On a scale of 1 to 10, you get an 8.5, baby. Check these fries out now. I'm doing things a little backwards. Nice crystal. I'm feeling that crisp, baby. That crunch. Okay. And you came. This is a little bit more sharp. You be next level, and you be next level, baby. Who would have thought? You got shelf life to you. You've been transported. But you representing your brand well, baby. I know y'all hear that crispiness to it. You hear that crunch, don't you? This came from DoorDash. Once they put those fries in a container, no, don't matter what kind of bag you put it in, it still gets shelf life. And for it to be transported from over 5 minutes, 15 minutes away, and still have that kind of crisp to it, that's amazing. So that being said, I give you a 9. McDonald's who? What's so special about McDonald's fries? I don't get it, but people love them. Not everybody do, but people love them. I'm saying you can get a shelf life off of them. Once you get those, you gotta eat them real quick because they get hard. You might be missing some teeth, McDonald's. Maybe you can find out about what Dairy Queen do with their fries. Just a little bit more seasoning. Next level. Oh man, this right here was an enjoyable meal. I wasn't expecting that to come from Dairy Queen. Never had Dairy Queen food before, but I had the ice cream and stuff like that. Never their food, but I must say, I'm very impressed with it. Y'all had some flavors going on in that burger, and a nice crispiness, and a nice little flavor coming from your fries. And the Blizzard is sweet. So I mean, can't get any better than that. So I'm gonna enjoy my Blizzard, because that's something that you just gotta eat. I know I'm gonna pay for it, but oh well. You know, sometimes you gotta struggle with them streets with them cold treats. You know, you can't throw away something cold, especially on a warm day like today. So no, I'm just gonna sit back and relax and enjoy it. Takes you back, makes you nostalgic about those good old days. All right, y'all. You will see where exactly the Dairy Queen is at when the video get edited. Once again, it's always a pleasure coming out, letting you experience my foodie adventures. Stay tuned for what's next. All right, y'all. Once again, thank you. If you just catching me, you towards the end of my video, and you like, who is that brother? My name is EMOORE, food connoisseur. I'm the brother that do those food reviews in the New Jersey and surrounding areas. I'm planning on covering the map and the globe, baby. Just hit that subscribe button and you'll see. All right, y'all, remember, every day you get to open those eyes up, you get to take that nice big breath. You get to hear, smell, touch, taste, swallow, walk. We all might not have those senses all at one time, but you know it's a gift from God, baby. To God be the glory. You will see me on my next review. Give your loved ones that nice big bear hug, baby. You see these guns right here? Give them that nice big bear hug. All right, y'all. EMOORE, food connoisseur. I'm out, baby. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Click that like button, the notification button at the bottom of the page so you know my videos are on.